How did a cargo ship brought down this famous bridge that had been standing for almost 50 years in just a few seconds, and took the lives of 6 peoples, and how the expert captains suddenly lost control of this vessel? We know all the answer to these questions in his video, so let's get started. On Tuesday 26 March 2024, a ship named Dali, which is 300-meter long and was owned by Singapore's Grace Ocean, with 22 crew members and 2 captains, having 56 containers on board, with 764 tons of hazardous materials, departed from Port of Baltimore, Maryland in United States at 1 a.m. and was heading towards Colombo, Sri Lanka. It was supposed to arrive at its destination on April 22nd, but as soon as they left the port, the ship lost propulsion. At same time, the crew members informed the Maryland officials that they had lost control of vessel. Just minutes before the bridge at 1:20 a.m., there was a totally blackout on ship, which means that ship lost engine power and electrical power. It was complete blackout. Clay Diamond, the executive director and general counsel of American Pilots Association, said that power issues are not unusual on cargo ships. It's likely that every pilot in the country has experienced a power loss of some kind, but it is generally a momentary. The vessel was moving at a standard speed of 8 knots, which is good for the area. Despite the ship not recovering its main source, he mentioned that a diesel backup generator is started and reinstalling the electrical systems. The pilots quickly ordered to drop the port anchor and shift the rudder hard to port as he tried to stop the ship from turning right. The pilots also contacted a dispatch office to get the bridge shut down. According to Diamond, one of the pilots did everything that he could have done. But at about 1:27 a.m., the Dali ship collided with one of the pillars supporting the Francis Scott Key Bridge in the city on the East Coast on United States. It was a 4-lane bridge about 1.6 miles long. This bridge is standing about the last 50 years. According to the research, this bridge carried more than 12 million commercial and passenger vehicles in 2023. It is a key part of road network around Baltimore. According to authorities, 8 peoples were on the bridge. They were part of construction crew filling potholes on the bridge, who fell into the Patapsco River at the time of collision. In the operation, 2 of them were rescued, but 6 workers were died. In a few seconds, years of hard work, millions of dollars, and 6 lives of workers were lost. But none of the 24 onboard crew members were seriously injured. The National Transportation Safety Board is conducting the investigating of the data recorder and interviewing the crew. According to Maryland authorities, the traffic in the port suspended until further notice. President Biden said that the federal government, with congressional support, would pay to rebuild the bridge. Hope you enjoy the video. Give your opinion in the comments below. We will see you in next video. Until next time, stay curious.